Everyone, it's Click How. Today I'm going to show you how to upload your own images to Canva in just a few seconds. First, open your design in Canva. Look at the left sidebar and click the Uploads tab. It's the one with the cloud icon. Now click the Upload Files button. Select any image from your computer. JPG, PNG, or even GIF files work fine. You can also just drag and drop your image directly into the Uploads area. Once uploaded, your image will appear in the Uploads tab. Click on it, and it will automatically appear in your design. You can then move it, resize it, or layer it however you want. Here's a faster way. You can also drag an image from your computer folder and drop it directly onto your Canva canvas. The image will upload and place itself exactly where you dropped it. One important thing to know, Canva's free plan gives you 5 GB of cloud storage for uploaded images. You can always delete old uploads to free up space by hovering over an image and clicking the 3 dots, then selecting Delete. A quick tip, if you upload the same image often, click the image in Uploads, then click the star icon to favorite it. It will stay at the top of your uploads list for easy access. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.